Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can link a button with pop-up in Elementor WordPress website. Here you can see this website is built with Asta WordPress theme. So now if we want to add a link of pop-up in this button, how we can do that? Just go to dashboard. After that in templates, here you can see pop-up section. Here you can create pop-ups. After that, here you can see I have created a simple pop-up. Let me edit this one. Here you can see it has a simple image. Now let's click edit with Elementor. After that we will be able to edit these sections one by one. Here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. It will take just few seconds. After that scroll down. Just click here on the button. After that here you can see dynamic tags. Scroll down and find pop-up. Here you can see actions. Now click here. After that here you can see these are all the pop-ups. Just click here. After that search the pop-up. Then this is the template. Just click here update. Now let's refresh the page. Scroll down and click on the button. Here you can see it's working fine. In this way you can add pop-up link with a button. Thank you for watching. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube